Hello friends, today we are going to talk on Rao Blackwell Theorem. It is proved by C.R. Rao and David Blackwell in the second half of 1940s. It's an old theorem, one of the cornerstone of parametric estimation. So we start with a random sample x1, x2, xn following IID with some density f, x and the parameter theta. Theta is fixed but unknown to us. Say we have a sufficient statistics. I talked about sufficient statistics earlier. It's a function of the sample values. T x1, x2, xn is sufficient for theta. That is the joint distribution of x1, x2, xn depends on theta through t. If we know t, we have sufficient information to talk about theta. So t x1, x2, xn is a sufficient statistic, is sufficient for theta. That is, by the factorization theorem, the joint distribution f x1, x2, xn can be written as a function of parameter theta and the sufficient statistic t and some remaining quantity, some remaining function of x1, x2, xn. This is known as Neyman-Pearson factorization theorem, and t satisfied the theorem. So t is sufficient. Now suppose we have a theta hat. We already have a theta hat which is unbiased for theta. That means expected value of theta hat equal to theta. The question is, can we improve theta hat? Or in other words, can we find another statistic theta tilde where theta tilde is also unbiased and variance of theta tilde, the improved estimator, theta tilde is less than equal to variance of theta hat. Rao Blackwell theorem says that given if you have a sufficient statistics t, you can improve theta hat. How to do that? The theorem says that define theta tilde to be the conditional expectation of theta hat given the sufficient statistics. It's a conditional expectation given t, so it's a function of t, and t is the sufficient statistic. So theta tilde is a statistic. Now let us look at unbiasedness of theta tilde. How much is the expected value of theta tilde? If we put the form of theta tilde is nothing but expected value of theta given t. So expected value of theta given t, and then unconditional expectation of that is nothing but theta. So expected value of theta tilde is theta. So theta tilde is unbiased. And if we look at variance of theta hat, we can use the repeated procedure, which is variance of expected value of theta hat given t plus expected value of variance of theta hat given t. Now, expected value of theta hat given t is defined to be theta tilde. So this is nothing but variance of theta tilde plus some quantity which is greater than equal to 0, because variance of theta hat given t is a non-negative number, so its expectation should be non-negative. So variance of theta hat is greater than equal to variance of theta tilde. So we could reduce the variance of the estimator of theta, creating a new theta tilde which is expected value of theta hat given t. Keeping the unbiasedness, expected value of theta tilde is again theta. So this is known as, this technique was first proved in 1945 by C.R. Rao and in 1947 by Blackwell. So this construction is given by Rao Blackwell Theorem. So suppose we have a random sample x1, x2, xn, IIT normal mu sigma square, where sigma square is known, only mu is unknown. So we know t equal to summation xi I equal to 1 to n is sufficient for mu. If you look at the normal density, then e to the power minus summation xi minus mu whole square. So summation xi is sufficient for mu, and x1 is unbiased for mu. ex1 is mu, but we can improve x1 by taking the conditional expectation given t equal to t, given the sum, which is nothing but x bar. So x1 has, both x1 and x bar are unbiased, both have mean mu, and variance of x bar is sigma squared by n, which is less than sigma square, which is the variance of x1. So starting with a statistic x1, we could improve it to x bar to reduce the variance. And if t is both sufficient and complete, what is the definition of completeness? A statistic U is complete if expected value of U equal to 0 implies U to be identically 0. This is the definition of completeness. Now, Rao Blackwell theorem states that if t is both sufficient and complete, then expected value of theta hat given t, theta hat given t, which is a function of t and we are improving theta hat to expected value of theta given t. Then expected value of theta given t is UMVUE, uniformly minimum variance unbiased estimate. So this is all about I wanted to say about Rao Blackwell theorem. Thank you. I'll stop here.